Hello, I'm going to talk about the click roulette. So, how does it work? If you are a builder or business builder, you have an ID, a number. Knowing your ID is easy. It is located in your Builderall referral link. For instance, you can check this. If you are not one yet, you can become a business builder right now. Click on this link in the video description. You can participate in this click roulette by adding interrogation mark AIG equals and your ID at the end of any page link URL and send visitors to it. The page will work for you for your own affiliate Builderall link. If you understand this site and how useful is the viral Facebook sharing system including on all pages, then this click roulette is for you. Some clicks are shared among participants, including yourself. If you are interested, you can start sending traffic immediately. There is no registration necessary. You will see your Builderall ID and your clicks right away on this page. Rules. At the start, all visitors you send are yours. If you reach a threshold, you start to share your clicks and to receive shared clicks from others. Only clicks you have sent with your ID count. So, do not worry. This means if you are not receiving shared clicks, you also do not share clicks yourself. The send clicks threshold to participate is the date of the day multiplied by 10. So, on the 1st of the month, it is at 10. On the 15th, it is at 150. Voilà. The clicks counter resets on the first day of the month. If you do not understand everything, first send visitors and then think again while looking at this page. Fake traffic protection. If you send fake visits like autosurf or bot traffic, your ID will be permanently blacklisted, which means all your clicks will be shared, but you will not get any clicks in return. So do not send fake traffic. Also note that clicks are only counted per unique IP address. No need to refresh the page to artificially increase your click counter. Moreover, any attempt at fraud will result in an immediate and definitive ban of your Builderall ID. Is it really worth it? So then you have some pages in English that you can send visitors to. But it works also with pages in French because it works on all these site pages. So now, so you can see the table here. So now, I know what you might think. Okay, this guy has a French accent. He talks terrible English. Okay. And you say, oh, this sounds to me like a scam. What is happening? Yes, you're right. It could be a scam, yes. But very strangely, it is not. I made this site and I made this code for the click roulette. And I am a business builder, a Builderall business builder, okay? So my work is to spread the word about Builderall and to have some customers who come into Builderall, and I am their sponsor, so I get monthly recurring commissions on them, and that's my work. Okay, so I made this website to send traffic to, so it will send the visitors to my affiliate links. And I made a system that you can see if you look at the website, you browse the the pages, you will see there is a system which makes it as if the visitor needs to share the page on Facebook. But It's not mandatory, because as soon as the visitor clicks to go to my affiliate link, then a page, browser page opens with Facebook sharing widget, and he can share the page on his Facebook wall or anywhere he wants, or he can close the page, and then it goes back to the previous tab, browser tab, and in the background he was sent to the final affiliate link to Builderall. So you see, like when he clicks, instead of going directly to the affiliate link, a page opens and prompts him to share the page he was just on. If he does, fine, because that's the goal, you know. But if he does not, fine too. Then he closes this page, and this he has the final link. So you know, it's not that big of a deal. It's not like if I do that, I will lose all my commission. No. But think that this will work on a small percentage of people who will share whatever is. So just look at the site, think about it, and think that you can use it with your own affiliate ID links. Okay, there is no cheating on my site, on my code. I know I could do it. You know, it's like, for instance, I could say, okay, in the sharing system of the clicks, I could benefit myself and give me back more percentage than the others, something like that, you know, or hide some clicks and keep them for myself. Okay, I could have done that, but I didn't do it. Okay, so you can trust me or not, not the problem. The real problem is about understanding this system, because it might be the first time. It's possible that you never seen one, because I've looked and I never seen a system like this for Builderall affiliate links, and I understand why, because there is no benefit for me, because I send a lot of traffic to it. So I know that not many people will use it. I mean, not many people as good as me for sending traffic. So in the end, I will lose some clicks, because I will share more than I will receive from the others, you know, even several others combined, you know. I can send hundreds or thousands of clicks per day, and I set the bar very low for this system. It's only 10 per day to send, to be able to be in the Roulette sharing system, 10 per day, you know. And so anyway, why I did this threshold of 10 per days, and not like you know, an amount. Why I did that per day? It's because I want people to keep sending every day. So in fact, they only have to send 10 a day to keep on being in the sharing system, to keep receiving clicks, and way more than 10 that they send, you know. So that's why, to keep it going, because I don't want to say, okay, from 300 clicks, then you are in the system, and you can send it in 1 day or in 10 days or 20 days. Doesn't matter, you know. 300 is the threshold. No, I increase the threshold every day by 10 for this purpose. So anyway, about the scam and all, I don't do scam. And about the sharing system, the coding, I know what I'm doing, because I have been doing it for ages with others affiliate systems, such as Google AdSense or ClickBank, if you know, affiliate platform, and French affiliate platform. So I did it a number of times and know the process, and I don't cheat, you know. There's no, and I understand that you don't know why I do that, because there is no interest for me, and I admit, you know, I cannot explain to you. I cannot say, voilà. I do it, and that's it. So anyway, if you don't understand it, maybe just browse the site and have a leap of faith and try it, and you'll see. And you can contact me by commenting on this video. If you see the video, you say, oh, what, and you are listening to me until now, you can just write a comment and ask a precise question about it. Not say, oh, I don't understand anything, please explain it to me. I don't like that, But if you ask a precise question about this click roulette, then I'm happy to answer it. Of course, I publish it and I get notified, and I will answer to you for sure in the day or so. So at least you will have trust in this. And after, yes, of course, you can do like everybody, or like you do, send directly to your affiliate links. It's working fine also, I don't know what will bring this click roulette to the table, but in my opinion, there will be more clicks for you in return than what you send, in my experience also, because I send a lot, then I don't know others what they send. Now we are on the 4th of September of 2018. I don't know when you will see this video. Maybe there will be hundreds of people using my click roulette, but I don't think so, so we'll see. Anyway, thank you for listening, and voila, now you know. I needed to do it in English, and I've done it. Now I will publish, okay, on YouTube. Bye bye.